Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm going to talk about electric vehicle chargers, or EV chargers, what to select and how much does it cost. This is one of my very favorite topics. I love EVs. Let's get right to it. Cost is typically from slightly less than $1,000 to $2,500 for installation plus the cost of the device. The device could be a NEMA 1450 or lower power plug, which is included in the estimate, or it could be a commercial smart wall charger, Tesla for example, for around $500. And while the chargers offer a slightly higher charge rate, the benefit may not make the difference, as it is still an overnight charge either way. If you choose a charger, I recommend you pick one which will do all cars, not just one brand. Personally, I just use a NEMA 1450 outlet, which works on all cars with the right adapter. In my case, the adapter cost around $50. Now, why such a wide cost range? The main variable is the proximity of your main panel in your home to the desired charge point, which is typically the left garage spot. If the panel is at the garage or very close to the garage, the cost is less. If the panel is on the opposite end of a large, complicated home, the cost is more. In very rare cases, if the panel or service condition is poor, more work may be needed to be done before an EV charger can be installed safely. This is not the normal, though. Regardless of all this, if you want to drive an EV and you own your own home, there really is only one way to go, which is charge at home. It is nice to avoid fuel stops for all your local driving. My goal in this video was to give an efficient answer to your electrical questions. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And if you're in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Bye now.